Hey, to find your lost Galaxy Buds FE, you can only do this when you have Samsung smartphone. And now all you have to do is just to go into the settings, then go into the connections, open Bluetooth, and when you are connected with your Buds FE, you will have to click on this settings icon. And from this, what you have to do is actually to scroll down and go to open the Galaxy Wearable application. Now scroll down one more time, click to Find My. If you have any notifications, like incoming notifications, just accept all of them. And now, as you can see, you can actually find your address and the map location of your device. But if for some reason your earbuds doesn't appear right here, you will have to click on this three dots in the right upper corner, click on the settings, tap to allow device to be found, and be sure that you enable this switcher of your Buds FE. So allow them to be found. Also, we can enable the offline finding. Next, go back and refresh, click on the refresh icon, and you will be able to locate your earbuds on the map. You can also click here and go into the navigation mode, but as you can see, in my case it's not working because I am in the same location as my Buds FE. Also, you can enable this feature to notify when you left them behind, and if you want to locate them with the sound, click on the ring, tap start, click to play sound, and now you can hear the sound of your buds. That's how it sounds. So I'm not sure if you can actually hear that, but it's just a beep sound. If you find them, just click stop. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.